In this video tutorial I will show you how to add story highlights on Instagram without adding the photo or video to your Instagram story. First, open the Instagram app. Go to your profile. Tap on the three lines. Open the settings. Then select Hide Story and Live. Tap on the first option. Now you will have to hide the story from all your Instagram followers. This can be a time-consuming process, but there isn't any other way to do it. Then go back and post the story. No one will be able to see your Instagram story. We will have to wait 24 hours until the story expires. After the 24 hours, open your Instagram profile. Tap on the three lines. Tap on the archive button. Tap on the story which you want to add to the highlight. Click on Highlight button. Then add to the highlights. Then go back and go to the settings to unhide the story from followers. So that everyone will be able to see your story. That's how you can add a story to your highlight without adding it to the story.